Welcome back to the NAPA Echlin Professional Education Series. Today we're going to talk about one of the aftermarket's fastest growing categories, turbochargers. We're going to talk more about the growth of this category, offer some valuable tech tips, and explain how Echlin Turbocharger Kits are different from other turbochargers available. Now, about half of all vehicles come factory equipped with a turbocharger. And to put that in perspective, in 2010, only around 10% of new vehicles were turbocharged. This means that while turbochargers aren't the largest category today, their rapid adoption on vehicles from 2010 to 2020 will lead to significantly more repair opportunities in the coming years. And one of the most important things to remember about turbochargers is that they rarely fail on their own. When a turbocharger has failed, it's critical to determine the root cause of the failure. Now, the most common causes of turbo failure are debris ingestion, oil contamination, or a lack of oil. And the engine should be thoroughly inspected and have new air and oil filters installed and an oil change before the new turbocharger is installed. Now, the Echlin Turbocharger program has been developed to help you succeed by offering a complete range of turbochargers as well as the related components required for a complete turbo service. At the center of this program are almost 100 all-new, no-core turbocharger kits. And these turbocharger kits include the required related components. And it's those included components that really separate Echlin from our competition. This is our turbocharger kit for the GM 1.4 liter, and in addition to the turbocharger, it includes all new hardware, clamps, gaskets, and a new oil line, making it much easier for technicians to perform a complete repair. And the Echlin Turbo program includes applications for gas, diesel, import, and domestic vehicles. And for diesel applications, we offer both all-new, no-core turbochargers and remanufactured. And to round out the most complete turbo program in the industry, we also offer the additional components that affect turbocharger performance, including the intercoolers, MAP sensors, turbo speed sensors, wastegate solenoids, bypass valves, and more. And in addition to coverage and complete solutions in one box, the Echlin Turbocharger program also gives you quality. New applications are subjected to hot gas stand and burst testing for structural integrity. And they're tested on real vehicles at our Vehicle Testing Center in Irving, Texas. Additionally, each turbo is end-of-line tested before it's placed into that Echlin box. This is the Echlin Turbocharger program. Detailed research and development, precision manufacturing, testing and validation, industry-leading coverage, and sales support. That's what's in our box. What's in yours?